Jai Guru Datta Guruji. My question is, if you have a capability to be able to offer resolutions to problems, what tends to happen is after a point in time, and that's what I've observed professionally, people kind of tend to take you for granted, and then keep coming back to you for problem resolutions that essentially would be in their territory. In such a situation, what's the right thing to do? Should you continue to be giving, or there needs to be a balance between giving and holding back? Thank you.
See, you have to understand. I will try to give you a collateral, and from that you make it out. When a person or when a group of people are playing carom board, if you see, a person keeps the striker and then strikes. The striker goes and hits the wall of the carom board, and then something happens, and finally the striker goes and hits the coin, and the coin is into the pocket. Now if you see, the striker does not want your coin to be in the pocket. The wall of the carom board does not want you to be into the pocket. The pocket itself does not want to be pocketed. The coin definitely does not want to be pocketed. Remember, life is like this, a chaos, but with a synchronicity or with a scheme. Now you are trying to do something out of your own mind, and your mind tells you, do this. You get an impetus, you get an inspiration, and you do that. And while doing that, you do not actually three-dimensionally understand the all-round repercussions of the action. You just do it because you want to do it. And then what happens? It is perceived. Remember, a striker, when is hit in a specific angle to the wall again hits back at a specific angle to the coin. So the other person also will try to do what he has to do, and that will finally impact the coin, and it will be pocketed. So the company, or you say, because you said professionally, so I'm just saying, it's a group of people, one person trying to strike, one person trying to be the wall, one person trying to be the coin, and finally the company, the product or the system is getting pocketed, and finally job is getting done. That should not be the way. If you understand, who wins? One who knows the holistic. If I know where to keep the striker, how to strike, and with the confidence I know now this is going to happen as a reaction, as a collision, and then my coin is going to be pocketed. If you see, if you have all that holistic view, then you know at from what speed or with what force, what angle, how you need to strike. In the same fashion, life always is like that. You give and people take you for granted, and people don't take you for granted, then also it is a problem. People take you for granted, then also people don't take you for granted, then how is it a problem? Because they over respond, then also the responsive nature of you gets out. Then you start working for their attention. So it's not about people taking granted, or it's not about you trying to give. A player who plays with an intention or with an absolute idea to win. Not all strikes are made to pocket the coin. Sometimes to arrange the coins in such a fashion that the opponent cannot make a move is also very important. In the same fashion, once you play the game of your life with an absolute all-round holistic vision, then you are doing justice to your life. But either if you are just giving and this is what is supposed to be, and then the other person takes advantage or the other person responds, and then I need to balance myself according to the other person, then if you see, if you are trying to balance your behavior according to the other person, or trying to be either reactive or just ignore, in both cases when you are ignoring, most of your energy is going in ignoring people. And when you are focusing, most of your energy is focusing on people. But the final out product or the final reality of your life, why you are going out professionally to work some, for your happiness, for your abundance, for your comfort, and for your pride that you are a capable human being. Now, all this is not in focus. So, try to think from the perspective of this all round holistic, from the pride of what you actually want in your life, and move your coins according to that scheme. Then there is no question of just giving, people taking granted. Sometimes it should be like I do so that people take me for granted. If you observe Lord Krishna, he behaved sometimes in a way where he wanted people to take him for granted. Because people thought they are playing tricks with Krishna, but the truth is, all tricks are the part of Krishna's trick. That is how holistically we need to live our life. So instead of worrying, is it just giving, or is it politically attuning or trying to match yourself with others? In that game of politically trying to match yourself with others, you lose focus on capability, productivity of your life. Match or design the game of your life by keeping in view the productivity of your life, not the politics of life, or not just giving in life. Productivity is more important because you're born to succeed. And you are born to succeed because you are designed to succeed. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Jai Gurudatta.